Who proposed for us?
Oh, me. I'm the man.
What's your name?
Dominica.
What's your name?
My name is Thomas.
Oh, you have nice name both. Okay. Where are you from?
We are from Poland.
Poland.
Yes.
Wow, that's a great, cool country, you know? Yes. Uh, so how long have you been staying together?
What, 10 years? No?
Maybe 10 years.
Yeah.
10 years.
9, 10 years.
Yes.
Almost 10 years.
10 years.
We're married. 4 years.
4 years.
4 years. We're married and we're happy married, I think. Happy married.
So how long have you been staying here in India?
We came for like 11 days, but we're here for like what, past 5?
Yes.
Yeah.
So how many days are you planning to stay here in India?
On Monday we are coming back to home.
On Monday.
Yes.
So how many places have you visited in India?
Well, we landed in Goa, right? Yeah.
Goa. Oh,
Yes, we landed in Goa and we staying in Goa. And today is our first day in New Delhi, right? And maybe when we're gonna see Mumbai.
Mumbai. Wow, it's a really good state in India. You know, I mean,
India is beautiful, man. Like really, really, your food is great. I love.
thank you so much. So, what do you think about Indian people?
They are very nice and they are smiling.
And I have a quick question for you. I mean, in India, there are many kinds of food. So, which one is your?
Well, Indian food, like your food. I would say like chicken biryani, like butter
Garlic
chicken,
naan. Garlic naan, very good.
Stuff like that. Yeah. Yeah, like traditional Indian food is really good for me. I like spice.
Oh my goodness, you like spice.
I do like spice.
And you?
I don't like much spicy food.
Who proposed for us?
Oh, me. I'm the man.
So, what do you do in your life? Yeah.
Well, I'm an engineer, electrical engineer, and she has her own firm.
I have my own beauty salon.
With Shalom. That's a great. Okay, nice to meet you. Okay, see you
very
again.
much.
Yeah, yeah, so much. Yeah, have a good day.
You
Thank
too.
you.